Ethan here with another beer review. Today I'm doing Big Creek Light Craft Beer from Jekyll Brewing Company out of Alpharetta, Georgia, from Jekyll Brewing. It's probably about 25 minutes from here. On the can it says, "Not a lager and not an ale. This Kolsch style is a hybrid of the two. Light in body and golden in color, with notes of pear, makes this perfect for southern days or nights when you're just counting stars." And it is 5% alcohol by volume and 24 IBUs. It gets a 41 on Untapped. I couldn't find it on Beer Advocate. There wasn't a whole lot on it, so I don't know when it was introduced, and there weren't a lot of specs on it online. But let's just go ahead and get into it because I couldn't find a lot on it. I'm guessing it's a newer product. No smoke. Canned on 5/4/20, so May 4th. May the 4th be with you. So it's about 4 months old. Not terribly fresh, but pretty fresh. Within the, the good range. Let's go ahead and give it a pour. Yeah, it's definitely light. Nice head, nice bubbles. Okay. So there is just a regular Kolsch from Jekyll Brewing, which I've never had. When I searched up this one, that's actually what pulled up on Beer Advocate. It was just a regular Big Creek Kolsch from Jekyll Brewing. I don't know if it's because it said pear, but I do get some of that. Maybe if I hadn't read that, I would never have picked up on it because it's like in my brain. It smells nice. Light. A little bit of fruit. Maybe some apple or pear. It's kind of... The longer it's in the cup, the less aroma there is. Oh, that head went down quick. Yeah, the aroma's going away as the head dies down for some reason. Nice appearance. I mean, it's kind of a hazy, lemony color almost. It's almost like an apple juice color. Maybe that's that pear. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Definitely light, but it has flavor. A little bit of pear note, a little bit of maybe grape. They don't say that, but just ever so slight grape. I get the pear. Very refreshing and light, but good flavor. So it's a light craft beer. That's kind of why I got it, because I generally don't drink a lot of craft beers. But I will look to do that more as I find more beer to try. But it's saying light kind of was the appeal for me because I do kind of gravitate towards lighter beers, especially in the summer. When winter comes around, I'll probably get heavier beers. But it's good. It doesn't taste like a whole lot of craft beers. It's very nice. It's refreshing. Not heavy. It's pretty light-bodied. Light-bodied with some flavor. I couldn't see... Let's see what the calories are. It doesn't say. I couldn't find it online either. But if I had to guess, I would say 120. Probably not much. Less than a Budweiser. But not a Bud Light lightness. Probably somewhere in that 120 to 140 calorie range for the 12 ounce. I got a 6-pack of cans for $9.99. I have the receipt still. It's an okay deal. It's a typical craft beer price. They're usually not really cheap. They're pretty expensive, but it was one of the cheaper ones. I'd rather get a a 6-pack of craft beer for $9.99 than a 4-pack for $12.99, like I've seen. It's really good. Refreshing, slight fruity, pear, grape. I'm kind of getting maybe a little apple juice. But it does taste like beer. The fruity notes don't so overtake the flavor that it doesn't taste like beer. It still tastes like beer. For people who want that beer taste, it still does have that. And it's really good. What kind of score would I give it? Well, I've never had it before. I wouldn't get it again a lot. I'd get it again, but I mainly got it for the purpose of reviewing it. I would give this a 89 for my personal preference. I like it. For the style, I'd probably get a 91, but I don't generally drink more fruit flavored beers, and it's not a flavored beer. It just has that note of pear, but it's really good. It gets an 89, solid B+, 8.9 out of 10. It's good. I don't regret getting it. It's $9, well spent. And over here, I have a little snack to go with it. Cattleman's Cut Flank Steak Beef Jerky from Aldi. It's really good. I think it'll be a nice compliment. Really good. It's chewy. It's peppery. I love beef jerky. I don't get it a lot, though. This is good. Really good. 9-ounce bag. Ingredients: beef flank steak, brown sugar, water, vinegar, salt, beef stock, hydrolyzed corn, protein, spices, natural flavorings, sugar, and sodium nitrate. 10 grams of protein per serving. That's good protein. A lot of salt, though. Good snack to go with the beer. Well, that'll be it for my review. Big Creek Light Craft Beer out of Jekyll Brewing Company in Alpharetta, Georgia. Cheers, and thank you for watching.